Welcome again to my channel. I am Munib Siddiqui and I did my bachelor's and master's in computer science and engineering. This is a Python series video introduction. In this video, I'm going to teach you about Python, what is Python, where we can use it, why do we use it, and why it's getting popular. So as you can see on my screen, Python is basically a programming language, a dynamic programming language that is quick and fast. You can basically use it for any purpose. Python, you can use it, for example, for developing AI applications. There are popular frameworks such as Tensorflow, Pytorch, Keras, and so on. All of them are built using Python. For example, if you go to TensorFlow, you can see that it's totally Python based, and if you know Python, you can quickly and easily build deep learning models, and also some other popular deep learning and machine learning frameworks, such as Pytorch. This is also built on Python, or it's Pythonic. Of course, the lower level is C, but the higher the wrapper is really Python. You can make fantastic machine learning and deep learning models using these frameworks, which are totally Pythonic. And also other libraries, for example, NumPy, it's also based on Python to some numerical analysis. This one. And there is pandas, matplot library for plotting, PyPy for scientific programming, and of course Keras and so on. This is the AI application area, but Python is not limited only to AI. You can use it to develop web frameworks such as Flask, pretty popular and easy to grasp framework to develop web application. It's well documented, well maintained, and after all of them are open source, so no worries about the license. Just grab it and use it. Also, there is another popular framework based on Python called Django. I know there is a D, don't pronounce that. It's a Spanish word, I guess. So this is also a very easy, very clean framework develop web applications. So if you know Python, then you have the choice to either go for machine learning, deep learning, AI, or web development. It's all up to you and your interest. And also you can use Python to develop GUI applications for computer and desktops. For example, there is a popular Qt framework, framework. So Qt is originally based on C++, and there is now a Qt for Python. It's very well documented and a lot easier than C++ version of Qt. So you can just take it from the shelf, use it, deploy it, make fantastic UI applications. And what's more, that Python is not limited even to this. There are communities pushing Python to develop mobile applications. So there are some pretty new mobile frameworks using Python wrapper. I think one of them is Flask Python, where you can use it to develop mobile applications. Python. for your mobile application. So one very critical thing that you need to know is the background knowledge for Python. So I would like to say that you do not need to have a solid computer background to start using Python. And also, if you're a professional programmer using another languages, it's a lot easier to switch to Python. So it's a great advantage. The For Python, you don't need to have you don't need to know computer architecture like RAM, process, memory management, CPU, overhead, and a lot of these things. You don't really need to know them because they're all handled automatically by Python. However, if you use, let's say, Java or C++ or C Sharp, so you have to manually um, do memory management by using garbage collector. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video gives you a little bit of motivation and encourages you to jump into Python. Um, I suggest you to start with Python if you are coming from a totally no programming background. Don't go for JavaScript or C++ because those are headache. And if you are intermediate and expert programmer and want to learn Python, I encourage you to start it because it won't take you more than 2 weeks to adapt Python. It's very easy. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch other videos. It's coming, installing Python on in Mac, Windows, and Linux, and getting started with actual programming. Also, if you are interested in a project-based Python, there are the YOLO v5, computer vision, object detection, and face recognition, and other cool softwares for computer vision available. Check it out, and I'll see you again. Thank you.